first thing is you want to check and see if there's a bag of gizzards inside, and just reach in and pull it out. Ours is not in there. And then you want to use some string to tie up the chicken to keep it a little bit more tighter, just to keep the juices in. So around the legs, and then let's see, this guy goes that way. There is no perfect way to do this, so however you want to do it works. And then I'm going to flip it over. And tie the wings in nice and tight. It's all about maximizing juice, flavor. And then we're going to cover the chicken in butter. So you want to rub it all over the chicken. More is better. It's not sticking. And stick some under the skin too, if you can. That'll just make it a little juicier. Just wedging it into all of the tight spaces. All right, now we're gonna add some spices. We've got fresh rosemary here from the garden. You can really use whatever spices you want, Italian seasonings, we're doing oregano here. And then just cover it in spice, and even stick some spice under the skin. Why not? Okay, and we'll do a little bit on the other side if we can. And my philosophy with spice is more is better, but to each his own. Okay, and then we'll do a little oregano. And sea salt. And same thing on this side.
Slowly going to add avocado oil while I blend, and it should get a creamy texture. got a little too thick, so I'm gonna try to mix in some oil. Alright, speed stick isn't clogged anymore. I'm gonna go back to what I was doing. Alright, and you really want to leave a little bit of room on the top for all the goodies we're going to add. Here we are.
Okay, now we're going to add all the spices and the flavor. So we've got dill, chives, and parsley here. And you're just going to stuff it in to the mason jar. And stems are fine. It's all gonna get nice and ground up. Stuff it in. Okay. And then speed stick it up. Cloves of garlic. Stick that in there, and we're also going to add peppercorn, a little squirt of mustard, just a tiny bit to start. Okay, and then we taste test, see what's missing. I'm going to add a little salt. And then I'm just gonna douse it in coconut oil that we melted a little bit. And then mix it together. And then a little bit of salt to taste. Smells good.